For this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you're having the GCash device is not secure error on your phone. So I am going to teach you different or various processes that you can do to possibly fix the error. So the first thing that you can do is to ensure that your iPhone is not jailbroken. So GCash often flags jailbroken devices as insecure. So if your iPhone is jailbroken, you may need to restore to its original state by performing a factory reset. So you can do that, or first, before we go to the process or the steps on how you can factory reset your phone, make sure first to back up your data using your iCloud or iTunes or whatever third-party apps or tools that you can use to back up your data and your files. So once you have done that, you can now go to your settings, go to your general, and under here scroll down till the very bottom until you see this transfer or reset iPhone option. And once you are in here on the most bottom part, again, tap this erase all content and settings and go through the process. And after the reset, restore your backup via iCloud or iTunes, and then check if you're still having the problem with your GCash app. But if you are still having the problem, what you can do next is to update iOS to the latest version. So for your iPhone, that is if you're using an iPhone. So GCash may not support older versions of iOS due to security or concerns. Make sure that your iPhone is running to the latest version of its iOS. So you can also do that again on your settings, and then once you're in here, go to the general and go to software update. And if an update is available, just simply tap download and install and wait for the update to be completely downloaded into your device. And then next, what you can do also is to check for your GCash app updates. So an outdated version of GCash app may cause the security warnings. So just ensure that the app is up to date. You can do that on your app store, that is if you're using an iOS device, and if you're using an Android device, you can just simply go to your Play Store and search GCash in there, just like so. And if an update button is available, that means that you can update your GCash to its latest version. So again, once again, you can just do that, download the app and wait for it to be installed completely into your device and check if you're still having the problem. So next, what you can do, and the last step that you can do here, is check if you are using any VPN or proxies. So GCash might flag your device as insecure if it detects a VPN or proxy. So again, just go to your settings and then head over to VPN section and toggle the switch to off or disconnect any active VPN connections. So that's basically it. That is all the process that you can do, or troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the GCash device is that secured error on your phone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.